I just sneezed. And I didn't cover my mouth. It was snot in my and Ashley saw it. I mean, Whitney saw it. Whitney.
Look, if I had a TV, I would just sit there rewinding back. It was like, you did it. Oh.
I can't open up allergies. I'm trying to hold it in.
This snot ran out like some water.
Wait, their nose?
I don't know, but that was nasty.
Okay, well, that was our moment. That was my nasty sneeze moment.
I see.
It's allergy season, people. Take your Zyrtec.
Or Benadryl.
Winnie is still laughing at me from that sneeze, and it's not fair. She just keeps laughing. She keeps laughing. Look at her. She keeps. It's not funny.
She was in there and
We're really weird. I'm sorry. I don't know why. It was funny at first, but she keep laughing. It's over. It's been over now. Stop laughing at me.
In my head. I'm scarred.
It was just a little snot, Winnie.
A little? Yeah. This thing like a Twizzler.
Oh my God.
You achoo. That's what it did.
Wait, what?
Achoo.
Because I didn't know it was on my arm until like a little while afterwards. And then you sneeze sometimes, and then you think you sneeze sometimes, and you think, you know what? I got this. Ain't nothing gonna come out. I don't have to cover my nose.
You didn't have it. You didn't have it.
So I just sneezed. I'm just sitting here chilling. I just sneezed. I felt a little too much come out. I was like, dang. I didn't make it. And Winnie just stared at me the whole time. Didn't say bless you or nothing. She's just gonna laugh.
I never saw that before.
Look at your hair.
So, snotty girl.
Are you through laughing at me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You better be. You were too laughing. Just snorted. It's not funny anymore. It's over.
I gotta stop. My head hurt.
Okay, we're supposed to be studying.
Studying what? That's my way to get up.
YouTube.
You on YouTube?
I am. Okay, I'm through. Say goodbye, Whitney. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say I'm through laughing.
I'm done for right now. Twizzler.
Say.
Be breezy. Say it, Lillian.
You want me to say it?
Yeah.
Be breezy.
Or snotty.
Shut up. Oh, I can't stand you.